IB history students, this is the last full week academically of this trimester. So let's finish strong and get things done. If you need help getting caught up, it was great to help some of you these last few days. I'd like to help a few others. Just let me know how I can help you. But remember, starting tomorrow, the distance learning schedule, we'll be meeting with periods 1 through 3 tomorrow and periods 4 through 5 on Friday. So make sure you are ready for that. Please attend. We'll be going through more material than we have in the past on these. So I think it would be helpful. Tomorrow in that meeting, I would like to be able to answer any questions about the test. Some of you have already taken it because I posted it last night and did really well on it. So that's fantastic. But there are questions on the test directly related to the assignments that you did. So finish the assignment on technological innovation or the assignment on women, you're missing it. Those are things that you should be doing before you take the test. But anyway, I'd like you to have that test done by Friday so I can give you some feedback on it. It's in a different format, so I can give you feedback on every short answer question, which I will definitely do. On Friday, we begin the next unit, and we're not going to obviously finish the next unit, post World War One diplomacy. We won't finish that obviously at the end of this try, and it'll carry into the next. But the assignment is called the End of War Source Evaluation, and it is a primary source from a German officer speaking to the German Reichstag about where things were at the end of the war. Valuable source, and that's where we start the next unit. On Monday, there's an assignment on the aims of the powers. It's a source-based activity again. It's based on a number of sources. You'll see that to get going on. And then on Tuesday, we'll start watching, we'll call it a docudrama. It was made in Canada based upon one of the great World War One books called Paris 1919 by Margaret Macmillan. I'd encourage you to read the book, but given the time that we don't have, we'll be watching the docudrama, and you'll see the first Ed puzzle related to that. And that is all I have. For those of you that are behind, though, and I've had this question, if you look at this document where it says IB Modern European History Agenda, it has all of the agendas going back to the beginning of the year. So all of the weeks are here. So if you know what you missed and you're not sure, look at the agendas and you can see what folder it's in, the assignment, and be able to access it on Schoology. Perhaps unlike other teachers, I'm going to do my best to help you out here. I know people fell behind, and given the obstacles that are in front of us in terms of being able to successfully navigate school in a pandemic, I get it for some of you. So please let me help you, and just do the work and or meet with me and we can put together a plan for how to get you to a credit. There's just too many people that are certainly capable students who aren't on track to earn a credit. And to me, that's sad. So I want to help you. Others that have a goal in mind, whether it's 93% or above, or whether your parents put pressure on you to be at the A and B level, let me help you. Let me help you. Just let's meet, let's talk, and we have afternoons on Thursday and Friday and Monday and Tuesday where I'll put aside anything that I'm working on to help you individually. You just need to ask. That's the only way it works. Okay? So contact me. Let's get after it. Let's finish this thing strong. Seeing some really fantastic work from a lot of you. It's fun to interact through your work. And I hope I see everybody at the meetings on Thursday and Friday. Have a great day.